Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio AE-2000W. And first, you need to be in the timekeeping mode. And just to make sure, maybe you are getting mixed up with the world time mode, press the mode button several times until you hear the high-pitched beeping sound. That one, okay? And you are in the timekeeping mode T1. There are 4 T or 4 series for the timekeeping mode, T1, T2, T3 and T4. So this one we will set the T1. Okay. And then to set the T1, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And now the second is flashing. So to make the second become 0, we can press the search button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. Okay, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, next, press the mode button. And now we are moving to this one, the daylight saving. If you want to activate the daylight saving, just press the search button. And if you want to turn off, also same search button, just make sure it is on or off as you want. Okay, next, press the mode button. And now is the city. So this one, you can press the light button to move to the west side of the map, like this, and the search button to move to the east side of the map. So in this case, I'm going to use PKK, the same as my Siri for the time zone. And if you live in other area, of course, you can search whichever is suitable. And then next, press the mode button, and we are moving to the hour. For this one, you can press the search button to increase, and the light button to decrease. Okay. Next, press again the mode button, and this is the minute, search button to increase, light button to decrease. Next, mode button, and this is the time format, 12 hour or 24 hour, depends on your preference. If you want to change, just press the search button. So 2 PM or 14. Okay, next, press again the mode button, and now is the year. You can increase the number of the year by pressing the search button, and you can decrease by pressing the light button. Okay, again the mode button, and we are moving to the month. You can increase by the search button and decrease by using the light button. Okay, again mode button, and now is the date, search button to increase and light button to decrease. Again the mode button, and this is the length of the backlight. 1 meaning 1.5 seconds. And press the search button to change, 3 meaning 3 seconds. So choose whichever you want. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and we're back to the setting of the second. So if you're done with all the settings for the basic adjustment, you can press the adjust button, and done. We are now returning to the timekeeping mode T1. Anyway, if you want to also change the T2, T3 and T4, like this one, T2, T3 and T4, you want to change the city, then easy, press the search button to get to the T number that you want. So let's say you want to change T2 and you want to change the city and also the daylight saving maybe. You can press and hold the adjust button for T2, okay? And then you can change the city by pressing the search button to move to the east side of the map, and the light button to move to the west side of the map. So let's say I want to use NYC. So again, this one NYC, and done. And yes, press the mode button, and now is the setting for the daylight saving. If you want to activate, just press the search button on for the daylight saving. And if you want to deactivate, also the same button, search button, and done. And now to exit from the setting of the T2, you can press the adjust button, and done. The same thing for the T3 and also T4. Okay, and yeah, that's all for the basic setting or basic adjustment for this watch, Casio AE-2000. Hopefully useful. And yes, I will also make a more detailed, complete tutorial for this watch. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.